f double dash is continuous on AB and derivable on open interval AB, then prove that, or show that, prove that f of B minus f of A minus half B minus A, f dash A plus f dash B is equal to minus B minus A whole cube by 12 f triple dash D. Now try to understand what it is trying to say. This question is, this is, ये दो बार डिफरेंशिएबल है, डबल डेरिवेटिव है ये, इसका तो इसका थर्ड डेरिवेटिव होगा, but it is twice differentiable. It is already, it means it will have a third derivative as you are seeing here. So what you see is that, understand the concept before you start the question. You have A, B. Now you take a C in between, right? This here, that function phi dash C, we will design a function phi dash x, phi dash C will be 0. Now between A and C, again there is a D. Between A and C there is a D. We will call this phi dash C, phi dash x, phi dash C as H. We'll call it Hx, some Hx. Here H dash D will be 0. समझने की, try to understand. There is a point AB is given. There is a point C. Phi dash C will be 0 there. I consider that phi dash C as Hx. Now between A and C there is a D. Between A and C there is a D, where H dash x, basically this is nothing but phi double dash D is 0. This is nothing but that. एक A और B है, उसके बीच में C है, वहां पे phi dash x, जो phi x बनाएंगे हम, वो phi dash C वहां पे 0 होगा. बस phi dash C को हम we will consider this as we will consider phi dash C as your Hx. We will consider phi dash C as Hx. Now when this phi dash C is considered as Hx, then we will find a point D between A and C such that H dash D is 0. That is nothing but phi double dash D is 0. This is basically the idea. This is the idea basically. Because we have to find a third times derivative. This is basically what we do. We have phi x, we find phi dash x, or if we have phi dash x, we try to find phi double dash x, like this. Now here phi double dash x is continuous and differentiable. Therefore there is a phi triple dash x, basically phi double dash x here. Let us understand the concept once again. This is A, this is B. There is a C, phi dash C is 0 there. Consider this phi dash C as Hx. Now, between A and C there is a D, where H dash D is 0. Basically, phi double dash D is 0. That's the idea basically behind this whole thing. Let us now rub and let's try to do this question. Let's try to do this question now. Now the point is how to do this question. Very simple. The same way, just define a function. Define a function phi x as, you can define the function phi x as fx minus f of a minus half x minus a. Then you take f dash a, wherever there is a b, I forgot to write this, f dash x. Now you take this as plus a x minus a whole cube. That's all. Now phi x is continuous on AB, closed interval. Phi x is derivable on AB. Assume, not assume, you choose A in such a manner, you choose, select A such that phi A is equal to phi B. The Rolle's condition is satisfied. So let us find phi A and phi B. Let us find phi A and phi B. Just a minute. Yes. Phi A is FA minus FA minus half A minus A f dash a plus f dash a, then you have plus a minus, sorry, a minus a whole cube, a minus a whole cube, and this is nothing but 0. Now phi b is fb minus f of a minus half b minus a f dash a plus f dash b, then you have plus a b minus a whole cube is equal to, sorry, is whole cube, not equal to 0, sorry, is a whole cube. Now since जैसे कि phi a equal to phi b है, this Rolle's third condition is satisfied, therefore you have a equal to, rather I should say minus a me minus a whole cube is equal to fb minus fa minus half b minus a, then you have f dash a plus f dash b. This is the thing. Now there is a point C, all the three conditions of Rolle's are satisfied. There is a point C such that C belonging to a comma b such that phi dash c is equal to 0. Now take phi dash x. Phi dash x is nothing but phi dash x is nothing but your let us see what is phi x. What is phi x? Fx minus, okay, fx. Okay, now phi dash x is f dash x, then this is your phi dash x is fx minus your this is, now we have to see the function and then do the derivation. Phi x is f dash x minus half fx. Now this one we will have to do the derivation of. See, minus half x minus a, then we will do the derivative here. This will be f double dash x plus minus half, then this will be f dash a plus f dash x, then it is minus 3a x minus a whole square, 3a x minus a whole square. It is minus 3a or plus, just a minute, let me check. What was this? Plus, okay, it is plus here, plus, okay, wait a minute, plus 3a. This I told you, take phi dash, now phi dash c, this is phi dash x, now phi dash c is 0. Phi dash c is 0, therefore f dash c minus half this is minus half c minus a f double dash c minus half f dash a plus f dash c, then your this is bracket close plus 3a c minus a whole square is equal to 0. This is the condition. Now I told you to take phi dash c as hx. Now take phi dash c as hx. Consider h, let hx be defined on AC. So hx is nothing but your this is equal to you can take there is some, I think I made a mistake in while doing wait a minute, this is yes, your derivative is phi dash x, then half, this is x minus a f double dash x, then half x, half of this plus 3. Okay, fine. Now this hx is nothing but your f dash x, your half, this is hx, this is your f dash x minus half x minus a f double dash x minus half f dash a, wherever there is a c put a x, f dash x, then plus 3a x minus a whole square. Now hx is continuous on AC hx is derivable, derivable, derivable on open interval AC. Now, assume a, see, HC. Now try to find HC. Try to find HC and HA. This. Now try to find HC. Now what is HC? Just see what is HC. HC is f dash C minus half C minus A f double dash C minus half f dash A plus f dash C, then plus 3A, sorry 3A C minus A whole square. Just a minute. This is 3A, 3A. This is 3A whole square, 3A C minus A whole square. Now what is this? See, what is this? F dash C minus A, on all this, nothing is, how much it is equal to? It is equal to 0. It is equal to 0. Now, therefore, this whole thing, HC, is 0. Now find HA. HA is very simple. Now just put f dash A minus half A minus A f double dash A minus half f dash A plus f dash A, and this plus 3A, sorry, 3A minus A whole square. Now this is 0. This term and this term is 0, and this term is also 0. So whole thing again is 0. So both of the roles, the third condition of roles is satisfied on H. That's so HC is equal to HA is equal to 0. There exists a D between A comma C such that H dash D is equal to 0. The roles condition again applied. रोज कंडीशन को फिर से अप्लाई किया गया ऑन डी पे. नाउ just a minute on this D. Wait, let's write this D properly. Now H dash x, we have to find H dash x. H dash x is, see, you have f double dash, you have f double dash f double dash x minus half x minus a f triple dash x minus half f double dash x, then you have minus half f double dash x plus 6a x minus a. So it's this is h dash x. Now h dash d is 0. H dash d is 0. H dash d is 0. Therefore, f double dash d minus half d minus a f triple dash d minus half f double dash d minus half f double dash d plus 6a d minus a, and this is equal to 0. Already this portion, this and this cancel out. So what you are left with? You are left with half d minus a f triple dash d is plus 6a d minus a. Sorry, this is d minus small a. Small a it is. Small a and d minus a. And this is equal to 0. Cancel this with this. So now you are left with a is equal to 1 upon 12 f triple dash d. Now you have found d. What is a? Let's go back and see what is a. Where is our a? Our a is this. This is our a. This is our a. This is our a. So 5x. This is our a. The whole thing is our a. This whole thing. We have defined this function now. This function has been defined in this manner. So our function, basically this whole function is nothing but this as brought is equal to actually 0. So put the value of a here, put the value of a here and take it on the other side. So now you have phi x is equal to f of f of x. Phi x is so your this is not phi x, here it is our, wait, where is it? Here it is. Yes, f of b. So f of b, phi x is fx, not this one. Wait a minute, I made a mistake. Wait, this is the question. Now phi of b. Now you have this here. This here you have got this. Sorry, this is, you can take this as 0. Now you can see from this equation. Now this is yes, you can put a here. Okay, fine. Wait, phi of x is fx. Wait a minute, phi of fx is fx minus f of a. Oh, just a minute, minus f of a plus minus half x minus a f dash x plus f dash a then you have your a is plus 1 by 12 x minus a whole cube f triple dash d. This is the thing, and we already know here that, wait a minute, where is it? Wait a minute, here, this phi b is 0. You can see phi b is because phi a and phi b has to be same. Here you can see, यहाँ पे देख सकते हो phi a and phi b are same. Phi a 0 है तो phi b भी 0 होगा. So from here, since as phi a is 0, phi a equal to phi b is equal to 0 because a is 0. Let me tell you. Wait, let's write it in this manner. Phi b is equal to phi a is equal to 0. This is 0. Therefore, implies phi b is 0. Therefore, phi of b is nothing but fb minus fa half b minus a bracket f dash b plus f dash a. Then this is your plus 12 b minus a whole cube f triple dash d. So now, therefore, this whole is equal to 0. Therefore, fb minus fa minus half b minus a f dash b plus f dash a is nothing but minus half b minus a whole cube f triple dash d is triple dash d.